Welcome back once again. In this part we will set our recycler ViewHolder class. So for doing this, first we need to create a new class, and before that import onStart method. In here we will write our FireBase recycler adapter, and now create a new class. We can call it public static class, public static class. So public static class is equal to class, we can call it my ViewHolder extends recycler view.viewholder, and now we need to import constructor, and we need to create an object of our view class. So view is going to be my view, and this my view is equal to item view. And now we need to create method for our all these fields that we want to retrieve from our FireBase database. So public void, you can call it set job title, and we need to pass our string. So string is going to be title, and we need to add a text view. So text view is going to be, you can call it mTitle is equal to my view.findViewById, my view.findViewById r.id. job title, now we need to set this title. And job title, so mTitle.setText is going to be title, and we need to import another method. So public void we can call it set job date string date. So text view is going to be, we can call it mDate is equal to my view.findViewById r.id. and it's going to be job date. So make sure that we added the exact same ID name. Now this mDate.setText is going to be date. Public void set job description string description, so text view, so mDescription is equal to my view.findViewById r.id. job description, so our ID is job description, we add a job description. Okay, now this mDescription.setText is going to be description, and we need to add another method. So public void, we can call set job skills, so string skills, text view mSkills is equal to my view.findViewById r.id. job skill, now this am skills dot set text is going to be skills. Public void set job salary string salary text view, and we can call it m salary. My view dot find view by id r dot id dot job salary. So m salary dot set text is going to be salary.